Hello students, we are doing chapter number 11 triangles and its properties. Today we will do exercise 11.4. This exercise is based on the properties of side of a triangle. So if you observe carefully in a triangle, you will see the sum of two sides is always greater than third side. A, B, C, if these are the three sides of a triangle, then A plus B will be greater than C. B plus C will be greater than A, C plus A will be greater than B. So if you get questions like that, three sides are given and you have to check whether the triangle is possible or not. So for that, no need to check like this all three. You have to check only for the smaller two sides sum should be greater than the greatest third side. So just see which is the greatest side and another two smaller side. Add them and check whether the sum is coming greater than third side or not. Second type of question you will get when two sides are given and what will be the possible condition for the third side. For that, third side will be greater than the difference between given side and the less than the sum of given side. So if suppose 5 and 7 two sides are given, then third side will be greater than 7 minus 5 means 2, greater than 2 and less than 5 plus 7, 12. Now we will start exercise 11.4. Question number 1. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? So sides are given here 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm. So first we will check which two sides are the smaller side. So 2 and 3 are the smaller side. We will add these two sides. 2 plus 3 which is coming 5. So 5 is equal to 5. It should come greater than third side. So here it is coming equal. So therefore you write because sum of two sides is equal to third side. Therefore triangle is not possible. Second part, sides are given 2.5, 4.5 and 8.5. So here also we will take smaller two sides, so 2.5 and 4.5. We will do the sum of these two sides. 2.5 and 4.5 is equal to 7, which is less than 8.5. So this is also because sum of two sides is less than third side. Therefore triangle is not possible. Only for the greater condition it is possible. Third part, three sides are given 10.2, 5.8 and 4.5. So we will take smaller two sides and take their sum. 5.8 plus 4.5. So here we will get 10.3. So 10.3 is greater than this third side 10.2. So because sum of two sides greater than third side, therefore triangle is possible. Next, fourth part, 3.4, 4.7 and 6.2. So smaller two sides we will add here 3.4 and 4.7. 3.4 plus 4.7 which is equal to 8.1 and 8.1 is greater than 6.2. So because sum of two sides is greater than third side, therefore triangle is possible. Next question number 2. If the length of two sides of a triangle is 7 centimeter and 10 centimeter, then what can be the length of third side? So as we discussed before, the third side is more than the difference between given two sides and the less than the sum of these two sides. So third side will be more than the difference between 10 minus 7 and less than the sum of these two sides. So 10 minus 7, 3, it will be more than 3 centimeter and less than 17 centimeter. You can understand this question. If you take less than 3, then we'll check whether triangle is possible or not. So if you are taking less than 3, suppose I have taken 2. So third side is 2, 7 and 10. These are the three sides. So if you want to draw a triangle, first we have drawn 10 centimeter line, and then from another this side 2 centimeter arc, and from here 7 centimeter arc. So then you will observe these two arcs will not cancel each other. So triangle is not possible at all. Same thing if you are taking more than their sum, means you are taking more than 17 means 18. Then if you draw 18 centimeter, then same condition you will get here. 18 centimeter, from here 7 centimeter arc, and from this side 10 centimeter arc. Again there will be a gap between that, and these two arc will not cancel each other and triangle is not possible. Next question number 3. We know that in a triangle the sum of length of any two sides is greater than the length of third side. Is the sum of any two angles of a third triangle also greater than the third angle? If no, draw rough sketch to show such a case. So to check this, we will take each type of one triangle, one example. We will take acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle, because we have to check on the basis of angle. So if we take acute angle triangle, all the three angles should be acute, less than 90 degrees. So in first case you can see 50 plus 60 is 110, which is greater than third angle. Second case, when we are talking about right angle triangle, 30, 60 and 90. So 30 plus 60 is 90, which is equal to third side. But if we see that obtuse angle triangle, you can see 30, 40, 110. So 30 plus 40 is 70, which is less than third angle. So if we, for in the sense of angles, it is not compulsory the sum of two angles should be greater than third angle. So here answer is no. The sum of two angles of a triangle is not always greater than third side. Greater than third angle. And we have to draw one example also. So example is, you can draw any obtuse angle triangle. So obtuse angle triangle means one angle will be more than 90 degrees. So here you can draw one obtuse angle triangle. Suppose same example, 110, here 130 degree angle, and this is 40 degree angle. So this exercise is completed. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching.